Hello, craftsmen and DIY lovers. Welcome back to TopPick Reviews, the best place to find the most precise woodworking tool references in 2026. Making neat and professional wood projects certainly requires the right weapons, right? Well, today we have curated 10 revolutionary woodworking tools, from automatic jigs to super sharp Japanese saws that'll make your work go to the next level. Before we dissect them one by one, make sure you have clicked the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss our latest workshop gear reviews. Let's get started. Make wood joints much faster with Bora Auto Jig. The coolest feature is the auto-adjusting system that automatically adjusts the drill depth to the thickness of your wood without the need for manual settings. Includes a color-coded screw system for easy matching, very precise and sturdy for professional furniture projects. The smartest pocket hole system for your workshop. Not just an ordinary square ruler, the Rafter Square combines the functions of a Rafter Square with a spirit level and a plumb bob in one tool. Made of thick aluminum with a lockable pivoting arm to accurately find the angle of a roof or truss, it's a multi-angle saw guide and pitch finder, built to last. Innovation in every inch. Installing kitchen cabinets alone is no longer a problem thanks to special clamps from WYQYQ. This tool can clamp, align, and also act as a drill guide without having to remove the clamp in the middle of the road. Comes with protective felt pads to keep your cabinets scratch-free. Includes a 100mm extension drill bit for perfectly straight results. Cabinet installation made effortless. Get extremely smooth and precise cuts with the Japanese pole saw from Rootool. This double-edged saw has two sides of teeth, 14 and 17 TPI, to cut through hard and soft wood with a very flexible SK5 blade. Perfect for flush cuts and detailed joinery, very sharp and much lighter to use than a traditional saw. The master's choice for clean cuts. A must-have for making photo frames or assembling drawers, the Housolution corner clamp has a swing jaw design that can clamp two boards of different thicknesses simultaneously. The handle is coated with ergonomic rubber so that your hands don't get tired quickly when tightening bolts. Sturdy aluminum alloy build for long-term heavy-duty use. Squaring up has never been this easy. Need to smooth out narrow corners that are hard to reach? Wen Palm Sander is the solution, with a pointed tip design and a powerful 13,500 OPM motor. Its weight is very light, only about 1 kilogram, so that your hands don't get tired quickly when detailing. Includes a dust collection port to keep your air clean. Compact power for a smooth finish. Forget the guesswork when cutting crown molding or frames. This Lexavon protractor transfers wall angles directly to your miter saw with high accuracy. Made of thick CNC aluminum with a laser scale that won't fade, features a Teflon O-ring for smooth swiveling. Get the right angle the first time, every time. A heavy-duty version made from pure metal, this jig from Howard is equipped with a super sharp and durable titanium drill bit. Uniquely, this tool has a vacuum adapter to suck up sawdust so your work area stays clean. Fits wood up to 3 1/8 inch thick. Professional metal construction for serious builders. Have you ever failed to install a hinge because the screw hole is crooked? This Easy Arc drill bit set has an automatic self-centering system that ensures the drill hole is always right in the center of the hinge hole. High-speed steel bits with nitriding treatment for extra sharpness, complete with screwdriver bits and magnetic holder in one box. Perfect alignment for every hinge. Make dowel joints much more accurate thanks to longer jaws for maximum grip on wood. This Elian jig is made of professional-grade aluminum alloy with ruler markings on the body for quick measurements. The extra wide opening fits various wood sizes, includes a free dowel pack to start your project right away. Precision woodworking made simple. That's a list of 10 woodworking tools selected by TopPick Reviews that are ready to help you create more precise and efficient woodwork. All the purchase links for each product have been listed in the description column below. So which tool will be on your workshop wish list this month? Write it in the comments column. If this video is useful, don't hesitate to like, share, and make sure you have subscribed to the TopPick Reviews channel so that we are more enthusiastic about creating other quality review content. Thank you for watching, keep working, and see you in the next video.